Instantaneous rate of reaction. The rate of reaction usually depends upon the concentration of the reactants. As the reaction proceeds, the concentration of the reactant decreases. Hence, the average rate of reaction usually decreases with time. Therefore, the average rate of reaction does not represent the true rate of reaction, because we cannot depend on the average rate of reaction, because there will be a variation, because A is always decreasing when B is formed. The true rate should remain constant for the whole span of time for which it has been measured or calculated. Hence, the concept of average rate is not much useful in chemical kinetics. Instead of taking the average rate of reaction over a particular time interval, it would be more appropriate to express the rate of reaction at a particular moment. The rate of reaction determined at a particular moment is called instantaneous rate of reaction and is defined as follows. The rate of change of concentration of any reactants or products at a particular instant of time is called the instantaneous rate of a given reaction at that instant of time. Definition is important. What is the definition of instantaneous rate of reaction? For the determination of instantaneous rate, the time interval delta t should be as small as possible so that there is the least possible change in the rate of reaction over that time interval. Technically, for the determination of instantaneous rate, delta t should be infinitesimally small. This is a mathematical term. In mathematics, infinitesimally small changes are represented by d. Instead of delta, now we are going to use d. Delta is used for average rate of reaction and d is used for instantaneous rate of reaction. And using the standard calculus notation, the instantaneous rate for the reaction can be calculated using the notation D. Consider a chemical reaction A giving B, where A is known as the reactant and B is the product. It can be expressed as instantaneous rate means the average rate, the time interval is 0. Therefore, instantaneous rate in terms of the reactants and the products, using the average rate of reaction, first we can express it. The average rate of reaction expressed using the reactant, that is with the minus sign, minus delta concentration of A by delta T when delta T is equal to 0, or which is equal to the product without the minus sign, which is equal to delta concentration of B divided by delta T where delta T is equal to 0. These two cases are called instantaneous. Therefore, we are going to modify these two equations using the standard calculus notation small d instead of delta. That is, instantaneous rate is equal to minus, because it is a reactant, d by dt of concentration of A, which is equal to, in terms of B, because it is a product, no need of minus sign, is equal to d by dt of concentration of B. Consider a chemical reaction with stoichiometric factors so that you can solve any problem. A plus B giving C plus D, where small a, b, c, d are the stoichiometric factors, capital A, capital B are the reactants, capital C, capital D are the product. The instantaneous rate of reaction can be expressed as, that is, instantaneous rate is equal to minus 1 by A, that is a stoichiometric factor, d by dt of concentration of A is equal to minus 1 by B, because it is a reactant, d by dt of concentration of B is equal to 1 by C, no need of minus sign because it is product. D by dt of concentration of C is equal to 1 by D, stoichiometric factor, d by dt of concentration of D. If you know this theory, you can write the instantaneous reaction of any chemical reaction. This expression will help you to find out the instantaneous rate of reaction of any reaction. 3 assignments are given here. Please try to do it and check the answers. 1, 2, 3, 4 3 assignments are given. 3 assignments are given. Please try to do it and see the answers in the textbook after doing it.